emergency escape routes, so those have to be free at any time. Thank you.
Well, leave Zurich. On our way to Munich for Oktoberfest. It's a big secret. No one knows what's going on over there. Hit that like and subscribe button. It's gonna be a long day, long journey to Munich. It's the only free thing you can do in this world. Subscribe to my page. Alright, Woody, you can now officially say you've been in Austria. Yeah, quick run through. Quick run through. There's a little church out there. There's a town. Goes up on a hill.
Start. So. Oh, geil.
Also, 2 Minuten kann schon sitzen.
All these towns have little churches. Trees are in the way, but
Oh, it's like my
right there in the back.
Hast du eigentlich gemacht?
A little thirsty. Let's get a beer. Beer secured. Restaurant court. That's good. Success. It's like a cattle herd. People don't have seats. What have you? Have a beer. Cheers. Of many more. All right, Woody, after a long journey from Zurich, we can finally show you what we've been working to come to. Oktoberfest. Not in our proper attire. That's for tomorrow.
That's for tomorrow.
We just came here to explore and just see how to get here.
Yeah.
Another journey in itself, but I give you Oktoberfest. The toboggan. Everybody flies up. Next. He's a pro. He's done that before. We'll be doing that, Woody. And you take a slide down. You ever seen the video of this shit thing?
I only see the beginning.
Yeah, and they take a slide all the way down. This looks like a good stop for a brat. Don't mind if I do. All right. Oh, you got the big joint. Pretty fucking good. Tastes better in Germany. A little hot. Might need to get a beer.
Really good. It's a little hard, but...
Well, it's fresh bread out here.
Yeah.
That's German bread, buddy. The finest bread in the land. Oktoberfest. Let's get in the mini tent and grab a beer. Let's go into the Alps Brauhaus. Get a beer, Woody. Let's get a beer.
And we got our first beer, our Weissens. Roast. Not a Weissen guy, but hey, when in Rome, right?
Yeah.
When in Rome.
Gotta make two.
What's that?
Gotta make two.
Roast. All right, first mini 10 of the night. Let's go try to find another one, Woodpecker.
Counting out tonight, so tomorrow we'll have to stand like in the crowd.
Exactly. Tomorrow's gonna be a shit show. Get the lay of the land now, so when tomorrow comes, if we don't get in a tent, we know where we can go outside the tent. But we're going to try to get in a tent because another beer garden somewhere around here. Let's find it. Not sure what this tent is, but I think we can get in it, Woody. Just gotta wait a little bit, see what happens. Can you get in? You don't? We're back to square one. And Woody, today we stand out like sore thumbs, but we're incognito.
Yeah.
It's a fun word. Hello.
Hey,
Happy Oktoberfest. Philadelphia.
where are you from?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Where are you from?
That's bad time in Germany.
Oh, yeah. I love it. It's our first night here. Tomorrow. We got in 2 hours ago.
You should dress up.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow.
You should dress up.
Tomorrow.
We already have it.
But you're having a good time already?
Great time. Great time.
Lots of beer in the end.
So far, just one.
Yeah.
We're working on it. We just got it.
Come on, you gotta work the page.
One more day. We're going to try in here. We're going to add up here.
Schichtel is good. Schichtel is good. Schichtel is one of the last. That's me.
It's you. Is it fun in here?
I come here since 20 years.
All right, we're going to have fun then.
Yeah, Schichtel is good.
Thank you.
Schichtel is a good end of the night.
Love it. Thank you. Got a haunted house here. And another one, buddy. Let's.
Looks really good.
And we're going to step right up, and we're going to get 2 Dunkels, Woodpecker. A little less crowded, but you know what? Let's pop this post up here. A Dunkel, Woody. First Dunkel.
First one. Might be a last. I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not good enough for me.
No,
Oh, not much.
you're a Coors Light guy, I get it. Never change, Woody. Never change.
Not thrill sticks?
Little guy going. Look at him go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Get a load of that ride. I don't know, Woody. Might have to go on this, Woody.
There's a line on this one, so maybe this one actually will let you decent one.
Yeah, this one might be good, Woody. Fuck it. Let's do it. Alright, there was no video recording on that. Way better than one in a Wildwood, New Jersey, Lisa, if you're watching this video. Way better than Wildwood. They show more gore here in Germany. Woody, it's what you've been looking for. Pretzels. Hot fucking pretzels. Here in a mini Hofbräu tent, there's a party across the way. But if it's like anything like the last place we went to, I'd get to disclose. We're not wearing the proper attire, so it's probably gonna be hard for us to get into that. They're always in March. It's like an August. There's a mini one over there for Augustiner too. Behind the thing I did, whatever the hell it's called. Bounce around their necks. And Prost. The Hofbräu ice beer.
Once you get through the phone, it's good there.
Very good. Finish up at the mini Hofbräu tent. Now it's pretzel time. I'm going outside the box. I am not going to get a butter pretzel, a Nutella pretzel, other kind of pretzel. I'm going to get a Kassa pretzel. Let's see what that's about. Kassa. Got my Casa pretzel. Woody's going with the same thing. It's a big pretzel. Got some late night food here, Woody. Let's go, Woody. Let's work our way to the U-Bahn before the crowd leaves. Winner! Winner! Loser! Oh, to be in Germany right now. There's definitely a version of this ride in Wildwood, but it's like double. It's like they're split. Yeah. I feel like all the beer ends at 11, because I feel like they're hard shutting things down at 11. So now everybody's heading out, so we got to get to the U-Bahn now. U-Bahn, start heading back. This is going to be a clusterfuck. All right, Woody.
Here we go.
Here we go.
So when's our first miniature day of Oktoberfest?
Little piece.
Little piece. We brought the pretzels back to the hotel lobby. Getting some lobby beers. What did we get, Woody? The Pilsner? Hells? The Hells. The Hells. We got the Hells. There we go. Beer tastes magical. And zest the pretzel.
I'm not gonna say it.
Like a kind of cheese pretzel.
That's what I figured, yeah.
Yeah. It's good. Well, Woody's gonna save that for later, I guess. Hope you had a day with me. Always have a day of slice, and you have a day too. Like and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow when we're all dressed up in our lederhosens. Have a day. Bonus footage, Woody. Cheers. Billy's baseball. And Marsh struck out. Got one on the board.